In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Mailchimp account. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to the Mailchimp signup page at login.mailchimp.com/signup. Once the page loads, you'll see the account creation form where you can begin entering your details. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official Mailchimp site before moving forward, especially if you open the page from a search result. In the signup form, enter your email address in the email field. After that, choose a custom username. Pick something simple and professional that you'll be able to remember easily later, since this may be connected to how you manage your account. Then create a secure password in the password field. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. As you type, Mailchimp may show password requirements on screen, so make sure your password meets those before continuing. Once all the required fields are filled in, click the sign up button. This sends a verification email to the inbox connected to the email address you just entered. After clicking, give it a few moments to arrive. If you don't see the email right away, it can help to refresh your inbox or check folders like spam, junk, or promotions. Next, open your email inbox in a separate Chrome tab so you can keep the Mailchimp signup page available if needed. Look for the email from Mailchimp, open it, and then click the Activate Account button inside the message. This step confirms your email address and takes you back into the account setup process. If the button opens in a new tab, that's completely normal. After activation, you'll be asked to choose a plan. Select the free tier option to continue without a paid subscription. This is a good choice if you're just getting started and want to explore the platform before upgrading. From there, complete the basic business details forms that appear during setup. Fill in the requested information carefully and make sure everything is accurate, since these details help configure your account properly. Depending on what Mailchimp asks, this may include general business information needed to finish the setup process. Once that's done, your free Mailchimp account setup will be complete, and you'll be ready to move on to using the platform.